There's a lot of these hidden menus. How do you keep all these hidden menus like in your head? The answer is I don't. The answer is I wrote the cheat sheet on all the codes right here. So if you guys are watching this, not only sign up for my 22 free training videos, but I need to show you what's on the other page. There's 22 free Claude Code training videos, 5 PDF guides. That's what I'm talking about. On this is in my bio. When you sign up for my newsletter, there's no opt-in, there's no course, like there's no paywall, there's no like login. On the other side, I have tons of free training about Claude Code. That's not the best thing. This right over here is you need the 60 Claude cheat sheets and also the 100 Claude Code commands. That is for free. Hit the link in the bio. You'll learn more from my YouTube channel than you will from an entire college education. And so this right now, I want to give you guys a free gift just for hanging out with me. This is 22 free Claude Code training videos. This is very much more step-by-step to go down on a beginner level so that you guys can really take advantage of all the benefits Claude Code has for entrepreneurs and professionals alike. And so from here, I highly recommend click the link down below. 22 videos, 5 PDF guides. Remember the cheat sheets that I gave you guys? There's Claude Code Masterclass, how to build an app. There's how to build a website and a CRM with Claude Code. There's how I generated 14 million views in 30 days using AI automation. And then that resulted in 700 leads in 1 day organically with not pay. I don't pay for ads. I don't pay Zuck. I don't pay Instagram. I don't pay like PPC for like Google. I get 400 emails every single day into my inbox of people that want to join, interested in my programs and want more free training with AI. And then there's Jen's. It's not everything's about Claude Code. We got GenSpark tutorial. And then not everything is about AI. This right here for my ADHD entrepreneurs is the best task manager that is not AI related. And then you also have the Hermes AI agent guide, the 60 Claude Code cheat sheets that's here. So don't forget the 60 Claude Code cheat sheets because that is going to give you all of these cheat sheets. Like I'm just trying to set you guys up for success so that you guys don't fall behind and you stay up to date following my show so that you guys get dangerous superpowers. All of that is there for free. So that's in the bio. And then if you're like, John, I need the next level. I need to make money seriously with AI. I need to literally implement AI in my business. I can't watch tutorials. I'm done watching YouTube tutorials, John. I'm done watching live streams. I need to implement. I need to actually put AI into my business. Great. Join the academy. We have done for you templates, mentorship, and guidance Tuesday through Friday every single week on everything AI, everything automated. How I make money with AI is all in here, and I give you my Go High Level replacement. We give you a content automation template, a Profit OS to help you track and manage your expenses, which is the whole thing. A lot of things to give you guys dangerous superpowers.